Hello everyone, today I'm going to unboxing the one very important item for my camping trip. It's a 4-inch tri-fold mattress memory foam. According to description, it's a complete 4-inch memory foam. Unlike some other product, the 2-inch memory foam, then the other 2-inch is non-memory foam. This product is a little bit pricey compared to the similar product. But since this has many and good review, so I'm willing to pay more to have a good sleep during the camping trip. So let's open it up. Very be careful, okay? Don't cut into the mattress cell. Hopefully I don't. Looks like it's a very good package. That surprised me. It's not easy to open up. However, it looks like it's just see. Right? This is a description, right? It has this kind of the pure some kind of standard. Looks like it's a trusted brand, right? It's a Milan. That's inside. Let's see. Opens up. Wow, this is very long. Yeah. Okay, it's too long, right? So I'm going to over here. Open it up again. Yeah, this is the compressed air in there. So it looks like it's going to, according to description, it's going to pop up, and I don't know how long it's going to pop up, but I'm go ahead to open it up. Okay. Again, be careful not to cut into the mattress itself. That happened to me one time in some other product. Great. Wow, looks not bad. Huh? Okay. Then come over here. Can you look inside? This has according to a description, it's washable and a cover. Has a zip up. The zip is up. The same way here. Same way here. Okay, I think that is it. Come over here, and again, let's take a look at one more time. It's a 4-inch memory foam. I can see it's a 4-inch. The size, okay, the length, I think it remains about 71 inch, something like that. Okay, let me take a look one more time. The size is 75 inch, and the width is 31 inch. The height is 4 inch. This is exactly. So to me, and it looks very nice. It weighs and study enough, but we'll give a try. And after doing the camping, then I will able to give you another comment on the camping trip. Until then, thank you and for seeing this video clip. Bye.